Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you what my thoughts about the current market situation is going to look like, what I expect. Like we've seen that since a couple of days now, since after Bitcoin have refused to continue moving upward. It's consolidating around this level, and then how long will this is this going to last? And that's the question that everybody are having in their mind. So before I go into telling you what I have on the chart, I would like to show you the tweet I made on the 17th of October 2023. So I actually posted this chart on my social media before the current market situation. So before I even post it on the Twitter also, I posted it on since April, and I posted it on my Telegram channel. So what really happened on this chart is that the first bear market that happened because of Bitfinex hack. I think that is 2017, before 2017 or so. And then the next that happened after it is the COVID, which happened in 2020, before the 2021 to up to like a 2022 bull run. And the one that happened in 2022 is the FTX exchange that crashed. So the market first goes down. The first one that happened, which is the Bitfinex hack, happened, and the market goes down 86.9%. The second one also happened the same way. The market goes down 83.8%, and the third one 77.9%. So what I want you guys to pay attention to in this situation is that if you notice very well, the percentage keep dropping as the market keep moving forward. So it keep dropping. Probably the next one we're going to have again is going to drop also. But you can see using this smooth HA that we have here, smooth Kinashi that we have here, that I have on my chart. So you can see when we have a cross after the bear market, the market push up. We have a cross here again, the market push up. Even though it comes back to it again over here, the market continue upward. And then over here we have the market break above it also here, and then the market continue going up also again. So the market have really goes up than this current that area is 28,450. So that was where the market was when I posted the chart. And let's look for 28,450. $28,450. So that's it, from 28,450. So the market goes up for about 159%. So the market goes up 159%. So currently now the market have been consolidating after Bitcoin halving, and it have refused to continue moving upward. So people are panicked, they don't know what to do, they don't know what to expect from the market and all that. So one thing I want you to pay attention to is that the way I'm looking at the chart now, what I'm expecting and what I'm anticipating on is that, look at this, our chart here. When the market break the all-time high, after the market break the all-time high over here, I like to use the candle instead of the wick. So you can see the market push up, break the all-time high also around there. The market push up, break the all-time high here again. The market push up. Currently now, this is where we are. So we are expecting the market to break the all-time high, which it did, and they retraced back into the zone. It did break the all-time high, but it retraced back into the zone. So, and after that situation, you know, this just like all those areas where from the bear push up, the bear push up, and the bear push up. See all these push up, and push up that you are seeing here, and push up. Those push up are pre-halving movements, the pre-halving market movements. So before the Bitcoin halving, those are the moves that happen. So it's just a normal situation that when market have been going down, and then some good news started coming up. People anticipating that okay, the market will continue going up. So while anticipating the market, we're already making the move. Some big boys start coming into the game again and all that. So that is what happened around all this move we are seeing here. And for us that have seen it coming before, we have already take advantage of that move that we are seeing here. Now, people that don't really know how to do this are going to be waiting until when, okay, maybe if the market after halving we start buying or whatever. So probably those people will start buying the market now. We have entered the market before them. And people that have make money from around there, some will be taking profits, some will be restructuring their portfolio and all that. So currently now, will Bitcoin continue going down, or will it push up like all this one we have here? The only place I think we have issue in the previous time is this area, 2017 period, the 2017. So the market supposed to break out, then it's supposed to continue going up, but then it give us this. I think that's from 1,339, and it goes down to $886. $886. So then after then it push up to this level, up to, I mean, all those move. And look over here too. And I want you guys to pay attention to that. To pay attention that this 2-week chart, the previous chart that I showed you also, this is also a 2-week chart. So BTC USD 2-week chart. So you need to pay attention to that. So now what will Bitcoin do in this situation? What I expect Bitcoin to do is that I think it will not, like looking at the previous situation that have happened, I don't expect it to close below that level and then continue going down also. And it is possible, it can happen, but then I don't expect it to be like that. So it's just a matter of, if it happened, then you have to be cautioned on how you deal with the market. So another thing I'm saying here is that after the break of the all-time high, the market is not giving us up to what it gave in the previous run. So as you can see, I brought this from here, matching it with this. It doesn't fit. Market doesn't give us up to that again, and over here almost like half of it, not even up to half. So if Bitcoin if what we should be expecting from the market now should not be up to what we have here, if you want to do it well. And if we want to look at this in a normal way, I can say probably we should be expecting Bitcoin at the range of $100,000, or if anything above $100,000 is just a bonus. The way I normally count this before is that if let's assume the market gave us 2017, 2018, Bitcoin gets to about 19,000 plus then. So during the bull run of 2021, 2022, what I was expecting is that the 19,000, let's say $20,000, should multiply, which is about $40,000. Anything above $40,000 is just a bonus. So that was what I normally expect in the market. So on this side, Bitcoin gets to about $69,000. So if we are expecting anything more for this bull run, so I think we should be expecting Bitcoin to get to about maybe about $120,000, or anything above $100,000 is a bonus. So let's just have that in our mind. So but then it doesn't mean it can't get to about 120, 130 if possibly, but then just expect the market to reach 100,000, which is this area here, very small compared to what we have been having in the previous days. Look at that, and there's high likely that it can also get to about 200, as some people are claiming, and that's because we have some big players in the market currently, and as time goes on, in the long run, it will definitely get there, 200 and above. But then, in order not to expect too much from the market, so 100,000 and above should be enough, and 100,000 to 120, let's say 150 should be enough. So that's my take on the market. Currently now I'm looking at, let me go down on the 30 days time frame. So currently now I'm looking at this stage, that what is market going to do? Will it continue going down and then push down word more, or it will reverse and then start pushing up? If we use a fib retracement to find our 50% level, which is a very bad thing to be doing currently, so then that means Bitcoin is still coming down to about 56 something, I mean maybe lower. So that would be a very bad situation to be expecting in the market currently. But as based on what I just showed you guys, I guess the market will do some reverse back from this state that it is currently. Probably we can just come down to maybe close some of this gap, fair value gap that we have around there, maybe just come down a little bit, not close everything, but then, or maybe also push down into the 50% level and then wick into that level and then push upside again. So that's just it, guys. My take on the market currently. And also, don't take my word for it, that might not happen also. It might not happen as well. Market can just push. So this is what I draw for you the other time, but then market can just act like it's going down there, then reverse back. In fact, it can even be this coming week. Today is Saturday, 27th of April 2024. So it might be this Saturday that we are this new week we are getting into tomorrow. Everything can just change and then the market will start pushing upside. But one thing is very sure, if the market don't take out this high over here, that's around $73,600. So if the market don't take out that high over there, we need to be so much patient. We need to really relax and wait for market to do something. That area is very important, because that's what is going to give you some confirmation sort of that you can actually react on. As a trader, you react based on what the market is doing, not what you think is going to happen. Everybody now wants the bull run to start. They want the market to start pumping up, but then you being a trader that we have to follow what the market is doing. And currently now, if the market don't push above this all-time high, then there's likely nothing we can really do in this market. We can find an entry from inside going to the smaller time frame or whatever, but above this level is what is going to give us the real confidence that we really need to play along with the market. So that is basically So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell also. See you next time.